Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. There's growing concern private companies aren't doing enough to protect themselves and the country. In a rare open letter, the White House pleads with business leaders to ramp up their online defenses after recent ransomware hacks against Colonial Pipeline and the JBS. Desi TV USA examines the tough spot for the White House, attempting to sway private companies on a key issue they can't directly regulate. We can't do this alone is the message from the White House to private companies in the growing war against cyber attacks. A rare open letter which was sent yesterday by the top cyber official on the National Security Council to business leaders nationwide, appealing for immediate action, saying we urge you to take ransom crime seriously and ensure your corporate cyber defenses match the threat. The government is limited in what it can force companies to do, while attackers can only benefit. The Biden administration says it has told Moscow it expects the Russian government to crack down on cyber criminals operating inside Russia. I think there is an obligation on Russia's part to make sure that doesn't continue, said US Secretary Blinken. This comes after the back-to-back Russian ransomware attacks on Colonial Pipeline and the JBS Food, which caused gas shortages and meat processing to shut down. It's not clear whether JBS paid a ransom, while Colonial paid almost $4.5 million to get back online, something the administration discourages. The White House press secretary said the string of recent Russian attacks by both government and criminal hackers will be a topic at the President's summit with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Geneva in 2 weeks. In the meantime, a White House official said they are looking at ways to require stronger cybersecurity standards for those companies that operate critical infrastructure. Today's White House memo suggests 5 fundamental things that companies can do to shore up their defenses. As the threat from ransomware attackers is not only spiking but evolving, from trying to steal companies' and organization data to trying to shut down their operations. The White House is encouraging companies to carry out recommendations it recently laid out in an executive order, including updating systems and segmenting networks to isolate the operational parts of the networks. For Desi TV USA, this is me, Abid Kazmi. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.